Hey there, welcome to Learn Punjabi through English lesson series by ifactner.com. In lesson number 8, we will learn how to communicate with the fruit sellers in Punjabi. Buying fruits means phalan da kharidna in Punjabi. Phal is fruit and phalan here means fruits. Kharidna is buying. Phalan da kharidna. Phalan da kharidna. Kharidna. Phalan da kharidna, buying fruits. Let's start our lesson number 8. Before we start our communication section, let's learn some of the fruits names in Punjabi. Pear is called nak, nak, nak in Punjabi. Pear, nak. Melon, kharbuza, kharbuza, kharbuza. Melon, kharbuza. Apricot, khubani, khubani, khubani. Apricot, khubani. Plum, आलू बुखारा, आलू बुखारा, आलू बुखारा. Plum, आलू बुखारा. Mango, अम्ब, अम्ब, अम्ब. Mango, अम्ब. Banana, केला, केला, केला. Banana, केला. Grapes, अंगूर, अंगूर, अंगूर. Grapes, अंगूर. Tangerine, किन्नू, किन्नू, किन्नू. Tangerine, किन्नू. Pineapple, ananas, ananas, ananas. Pineapple, ananas. Orange, malta, malta, malta. Orange, malta. Guys and girls, let me tell you one thing. In Punjab, people eat mangoes a lot and they like mangoes a lot, and there are around 100 different types of mangoes available in West Pakistan, that is the Punjab province, and in India. So now let's see some of the sentences that we have to use when buying fruits. How much for the dozen bananas? Darjan kele kinne de hain? Darjan means dozen. Kele, bananas. Kinne, how much? De hain. दर्जन केले किन्ने दे हैं? दर्जन केले किन्ने दे हैं? How much for the dozen bananas? दर्जन केले किन्ने दे हैं? Give me a kilo grapes. एक किलो अंगूर पा दे. एक किलो अंगूर पा दे. Pa means to put into the shopper. Pade means to put them in the shopper. 1 किलो अंगूर पा दे। 1 किलो अंगूर पा दे। Give me a kilo grapes. 1 किलो अंगूर पा दे। Tangerine are expensive. किन्नू ते महंगे ने। किन्नू महंगे ने. You can say that, but usually we say किन्नू ते महंगे ने. That's why I'm not buying them. किन्नू ते महंगे ने. Tangerine are expensive. किन्नू ते महंगे ने. Please reduce the price. थोड़े कम कर. थोड़े कम कर. थोड़े some थोड़े से. A little. कम कर less. Reduce थोड़े कम कर. Please reduce the price. थोड़े कम कर. Give me 100 oranges. Malta सैकड़ा कर दे. When there is a season of oranges, then people buy oranges in hundreds. Like दो सैकड़ा means 200, 5 सैकड़ा means 500 and so on. Give me 100 oranges. Malta सैकड़ा कर दे. Malta सैकड़ा कर दे. Malta सैकड़ा कर दे. Give me 100 oranges. Malta सैकड़ा कर दे. Guys and girls, let's begin our practice session. Now I will speak in English and you will speak in Punjabi in a loud and clear voice. Let's begin. Fruit. Yes, phal. Pear. Yes, naak. Melon. Yes, kharbuza. Let me tell you, watermelon is called hadwana. 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 That is a funny name. Hadwana in Punjabi. Apricot. Yes, khubani. Plum. Yes, aloo bukhara. Very good. Mango. Yes, amber. Banana. Kela. Grapes. Yes, angur. Tangerine. Very good. Kinnu. Pineapple. Ananas. Orange. Yeah, easy. Malta. How much for the dozen bananas? Yes, दर्जन केले किन्ने दे हैं? Give me a kilo grapes. Yes, 1 किलो अंगूर पा दे. Tangerine are expensive. Yes, किन्नू ते महंगे ने. Please reduce the price. थोड़े कम कर. Usually they do not say please, they just say reduce the price. थोड़े कम कर. And if you want to be polite, you can say थोड़े कम कर ना. ना. In the end, na is a way of politeness. थोड़े कम कर ना. Give me 100 oranges. Malta सैकड़ा कर दे. Very good. Guys and girls, now I will only repeat the Punjabi section and try to memorize what do we call them in English. Phal. Naak. Kharbuza. Khubani. Aloo bukhara. Amb. केला, अंगूर, किन्नू, अनानास, माल्टा। दर्जन केले किन्ने दे हैं? एक किलो, 1 किलो सॉरी अंगूर पा दे, 1 किलो अंगूर पा दे। किन्नू ते महंगे ने, थोड़ा कम करना। माल्टा सैकड़ा कर दे। Guys and girls, thank you very much for joining me for lesson number 8 of Learn Punjabi through English lesson by ifactner.com. If you would like to download this presentation or do some more exercises, then please visit us at ifactner.com. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye.